Hey tech lovers, welcome back to Triplezon. In today's video, we're exploring the best gaming mechanical keyboard available right now. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Attack Shark M86. Let's get started. Product feature. The M86 features a premium gasket structure and hot swap PCB supporting 3-pin and 5-pin switches. Pre-lubricated strawberry linear switches provide a silky smooth feel and a crisp, delicate sound with every single tap. A unique single-key slotted PCB design ensures incredible stability and accuracy. By reducing bounce and accidental touches, it guarantees that every command you send is fast and precise, exactly when you need it most. Enjoy the perfect balance with a 75% TKL compact layout. It saves 25% of your desk space while keeping essential function and arrow keys, making it a dream for both intense gaming sessions and productive office work. Take full control with dedicated driver software. You can easily personalize key functions and create complex macros, tailoring the entire experience to fit your unique workflow and gaming style perfectly. Stay powered by a massive 4000 mAh battery with smart power-saving tech for long-lasting use. Plus, the ergonomic OEM profile keycaps and rear stand keep your hands comfortable and tension-free during those marathon sessions. Connect your way with flexible tri-mode options, including Bluetooth, 2.4G wireless, and wired USB. It works seamlessly across Windows, Mac, tablets, and phones, letting you switch between devices with total ease. Shine bright with side-printed PBT keycaps and south-facing LEDs that won't wear down. With 18 RGB effects and a unique side-breathing light, your setup will look as dynamic and vibrant as your gameplay feels. Pros. It is wonderful how this keyboard cares for your comfort with its ergonomic design. The massive battery life is a huge relief for anyone tired of constant charging during the day. We love the side-printed keys because they keep your setup looking brand new for years, while the pre-lubricated switches create a sound that is truly soothing to the ears. Cons. While the compact 75% layout is a fantastic space saver for your desk, it might take a little time to get used to if you're coming from a full-sized keyboard. Also, the advanced software features offer so much depth that new users might need a moment to explore everything. Final thoughts. Imagine a setup where every keystroke feels like a breeze and your desk looks cleaner than ever. The Attack Shark M86 isn't just a tool, it's a companion that understands your need for speed and comfort. Whether you're climbing ranks or finishing a big project, this keyboard brings a sense of joy and reliability to your fingertips every single day you use it. Your desk setup deserves this upgrade today. Check the price link in the description, subscribe to Triplezon, and like this video.